No.
No. Diction, word choice, syntax, the ordering of words in a sentence, sentence structure. Style, manner of expression, how the author uses language to get his point across. Tone, mode, or sentiments revealed by style, described how the author seems to be feeling. Point of view, stance revealed by the style and tone of writing or his or her position on the topic. Rhetoric, the art of speaking and writing effectively. Imagery, figurative language used to convey a sensory perception. Hyperbole, overstatement or exaggeration. Understatement, presents facts in a way that makes them appear less significant. Simile, comparison between two unlike objects using like or as. Metaphor, similes without terms like or as. Extended metaphor, lasts longer than one phrase or sentence. Symbol, a word that represents something other than itself. Denotation, a dictionary definition. Connotation, a feeling that the word evokes. Oxymoron, apparent contraction of terms. Paradox, an oxymoron on a larger scale. Personification, figurative device where an inanimate object or concept is given human qualities. A rhetoric question, a question that has an obvious answer and therefore does not require an answer. Bombastic, language that is overly pompous. Pun, a play on words. Monotony, figurative device wherein one term is substituted for another term closely related. Synodosh, whatever. Form of monotony restricted to cases where a part signifies the whole. Theme, general idea, lesson, point, or moral. Aphorism, concise statement of opinion or general truth. Malaphorism, unintentional use of a word that resembles the word intended but has a very different meaning. Circumambulation, talking around the subject or the word, like beating around the bush. Euphemism, word or words used to evoke employing an unpleasant or offensive term. Verbal irony, stating something but meaning the opposite. Sarcasm, verbal irony used with intent to injure someone. Situational irony, a situation which runs contrary to what is expected. Satire, something portrayed in a way that is deliberately distorted to achieve comic effect. Assertion, declaration, or statement. Clarity, clearness in thought or expression. Cogent, convincing, reasonable. Cohesive, the condition of sticking together. Didactic, intended to instruct. Discourse, verbal expression or exchange. Eloquence, the ability to speak vividly or persuasively. Emphasize, to give special attention to something. Fluid, easily flowing. Implication, the act of suggesting or hinting. Lucid, easily understood. Arbiter, a judge who decides a disputed issue. Biased, prejudiced, biased, prejudiced. Exculpate, free from guilt or blame, impartial, not in favor of one side or the other, incontrovertible, not able to be denied or disputed, integrity, trustworthiness, objectivity, treating facts without influence from personal feeling, objectivity, treating facts without influence from personal feeling. Penitent, expressing remorse for one's misdeeds. Plausible, something valid or acceptable. Substantiated, supported with proof or evidence. Vindicated, freed from blame. Condescending, treating people as weak or inferior. Contemptuous, feeling hatred. Despect, exercising absolute power. Dictatorial, domineering, oppressively overbearing. Disdain, noun, contempt. Disdain, verb, regard or treat with contempt. Haughty, arrogant, imperious, arrogantly domineering. Patronizing, treating in a condescending manner. Convoluted, intricate or complex. Cryptic, difficult to understand. Futile, pointless. Impede, slow the progress of. Obscure, adjective, relatively unknown. Obscure, verb, conceal or make distinct. Quandary, the state of uncertainty or perplexity. Indolent, lazy. Insipid, uninteresting and unchallenging.